how the human eye and brain work together through the stimulus of light. How many of us really understand how we see light, how the brain and eye work together? In this segment, Jan is going to teach us how and why we light every single element as if each one is equally as important as the other.
Understanding how we see helps us use light in our composition. As light enters the eye through the lens, the thin layer of tissue called the retina, located along the back wall of the eye, receives the light upside down, converts it into neural signals, sends it through the optic nerve to the brain for visual interpretation and recognition. Humans have two types of photoreceptors, rods and cones. These work at different times of the day under different light levels. What we need to understand is that any given color temperature, while it has a specific color makeup, probably will not match any other manufacturer's lamp with the same color temperature. Humans see a portion of the energy produced by an incandescent lamp. These lamps, including halogen, produce a significant amount of energy in infrared and ultraviolet. We all know that LED replacement lamps are not tested by either the lamp or the fixture manufacturer to determine how well the positive-negative junction temperature is maintained. Using integrated LED performs better. We will look at how the eye and brain work together to understand the world.